Right, okay, so what we're going to do here, we'll get on the mute, we'll attach the lanyard onto the harness. Now you can clip it on the front, you can clip it on the back, whatever you feel more comfortable with, okay? It's easier to clip it on the front. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to learn how to drive forwards and backwards, okay? After that, we'll go on to advance a bit and we'll start doing like a turn in this area so you can kind of learn about moving out and going up and down and whatnot, okay? But we'll just start off by doing driving forwards and backwards. Does that make sense? Is happy with that? Good stuff, right? We will move this side forward. First things first, we have to make sure that we turn on the green. Yeah. Otherwise, the controls aren't going to work when we get on here. Let we know that that's worked. We lift up the gate to get in. Like I said, first things first. This point of view, we just make sure we match this up, okay? Okay, so if you come around the side here, you'll see what I'm talking about here. This is dead man switch. Okay, so you need to have the dead man switch in, otherwise it won't work. What you'll find with this, you'll be going along, you'll change from one thing to another, and it'll stop working. Okay, you know why? Okay, so controls wise, back, forwards, turn left, turn right. That's all the controls that you need to drive it back and forward. Okay? The goal ball is to make this spin, go up and down. Okay? Spins it, moves it out. Terminologies, move, up and down. Okay? We have controls to make it go more sensible, less sensible. Less grip, which is at the middle. Okay? And all these different controls, we've got one on the side here, basket tilt. So do that, it tilts the basket down, up, stay away from that. Then you want to put yourself out of the loop. Okay? And that nice and level. You've got, and everything else that shows you on here. Okay, so it shows you that this one here will pull you out, so that the middle part will extend out. Okay, back in. You've got another up and down function. You've got this part that can extend out, go to even straight. And then you've got your carb can move out to the side as well. Out. And then if you've got a multi-carb on, you can go on to two carbs. Back and forth, back and forth. I think we're doing what you can get a multi-carb on. Yeah. See, you've got your force moving hand all the way through the force moving now, okay?
So when you do drop that down, the basket you slow down.
Exactly. Then you know when you're doing this level.
Right.
Does that make sense? Right. Do you want to go stand over there on the blue pathway out the way so you're in a safe working area? Okay. Then all we're going to do, put on the foot pedal. Remember, for hands wise, we need inside of the carbs, we can't have them on here where there's dropping points on the insides. Okay? Yeah, wherever they be. All we're going to do is we're going to use this lever to start off. Okay? So we're going to go back to reverse, and if you're reversing, we need to look in the direction of travel. Okay? So you know where you're going. And then go forward, it just goes forward. Now there's no foot brake like I was saying before. It just stops itself. Okay? It wasn't clicked there, so I don't know if anything's clicked into place on the brake, on the wheels there. Any idea? If you're going back, see there, I'm actually just off again, so stop. If I go back and then press forwards, it will kind of act as a brake. Okay? To do it. All we're doing is just get used to wheels turning, driving forward, and then we'll can't see too far ahead of it. If you'll go fast, if you go slightly, it'll go slow. If you'll hold it back, it'll go quicker. Okay, so it is set up for that. We get used to the fact of how this is. Okay, that makes sense, everyone? Any questions on that? No? Get it clear? What we'll do, get these both on together. Hopefully the weight isn't an issue. And just you do it together. Alright? When you get in, again, make sure that that's step out, head under, bring it back down. Happy with that? Good stuff. So, you just want to head on in. From a safety point of view, what are we looking for? Yeah.
Not getting into his waist and what the person's doing while he's running.
Where should your hands be? Yeah, inside the car, not on the outside where the drop points. And then land on the top to the safety point, yeah? You your hand on the carabiner. Okay, turn. Tap to the front. There you go. So obviously whoever's on the right hand side, the foot pedal will go first. If you need to swap, try not to get too tangled up. Okay? Right. Direction of travel, go back and forwards. Good stuff. Try and be nice and smooth it, so you just don't trip each other about too much. And then the buttons on the top are for the wheels to obviously you'll notice it's quite long, yeah, so if you try to turn around here right now, you wouldn't get around very easily. You'll have to do like a 10-point turn, 11-point turn. So that's where we have to start looking at moving it around, okay? So we'll swap over again. Now either just undo the carabiner, step over each other, whatever it may be. Yeah. Like two action heroes up there, don't you? Yeah?
Save the day quicker.
It's ringing just from the door. Not like really bad before God or rain, but like ground upon the national trust. It's all good. We've got loads of time to get used to it, and that is just use this time to get used to it right now. Self-centre. Yeah. I know what you mean. And obviously, when you're driving these, you're thinking about whereabouts your positions, what you used to come into contact with, so you have a map thing, it's hard to see, you don't so far away, you can't be able to stop this. Have advancement there, so tell you what environment behind you, vehicles, anything like that, any obstacles coming. Lots of different things to try and take into consideration of what is coming. Good stuff. Alright, so far? Okay, so we'll then start using the other levers. We'll get used to things, so we'll get out of mess around now. Okay, so if you want to undo the carabiner and jump off, I'll show you the next stage, next part. Next part. See what I did there, put my hand on the side. So easy to do. Right. So now we've got the golf balls, we call them. Probably not the official terminology for it. Yeah. So we turns it right, you push to the right hand side, okay? This will go around in 360. Once you go right now, you go back to that, stop, yeah? I go back the other way, goes to the left. Now, when we're doing a 3-point turn in here, try and turn it around, what we do is aim it, it goes to one side, we'll then move across. And it's more so you kind of think if you're working in a confined area, confined space, that you could then say, face yourself that way. Hi Sarah. Turn the wheels on the bring yourself around. Aware of all your surroundings. Try not mindful of that. And you can use both of them at the same time. We're facing away. That makes sense? So we're just operating from ground level right now, and then we'll start going up and down. Did you have a question there, sorry?
So does the chassis like always go the direction where the basket is? So in order for you to go backwards now, are you pulling it back? Because that,
Yeah.
but like if you spun round, would it be? Do you know what I mean? Like
Front wheels are always in front of the vehicle, and
Right.
the back wheels that don't turn, the stationary wheels, is the rear.
okay,
You've got the green arrows on the
Oh,
body,
okay,
which
got-
is
yeah, yeah, yeah.
forward, and the red is reverse.
so if you were to spin just the basket round,
Yes.
you would have to do it in like
Opposite,
opposite,
yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to go forward, you'd have to reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Good question though, yeah. So yeah, so the wheels itself, the chassis itself, the body stays as it is.
Yeah.
And it's this part that will spin. That makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good stuff. Right. I'll let you get on now. You have drive, like I say. When you're driving, just be aware when you're moving where about the basket's going. Get used, you can use the controls at the same time. Get used to maybe just doing one at a time to start off with. When you start to feel more confident, then move on to the two, okay? Nice, knees on. Knees go.
We're both ready.
Both going high. We'll do everything carefully. Good man. Good man.
I've got to go around in circles in the van,
Right, so, yeah, we're gonna, I would recommend turning the chassis first. Yeah, so turn the wheels in the chassis to one side, and then we'll start moving it the other side. You can use the other way. Keep looking all around, keep observations up. And then when you're ready, you're going to move towards me. And then you would turn the wheels the other way. And then into reverse. And now it's about thinking about fact that where your boom is isn't straight anymore, so you're not going directly with the chassis anymore. So it's thinking about where that thing goes and seeing if you need to boom anymore. So you might need to move further around as the truck's going
Yeah.
straightens up, okay? Good work. Like I say, keep the observations up about where you are, where the vehicle is, so just keep looking constantly around, try not to fixate on one thing too much. Why would you do that? Exactly. Yeah, so you don't want that to crash, you don't want yourself to crash as well, you might put yourself in danger, like fixating on something, yeah. Good stuff. I know we're in a controlled environment right now. So, now face turn the wheels. You're going to start bringing the vehicle this way, and you're going to watch where you're going to go on the boom ground, okay? So remember the direction of travel, which way you're going here? You're going to go forward, yeah. Gets a bit confusing when you're not like the direction behind it, isn't it? Yeah. Just start thinking about it. What you can do now, if you think you're getting too close, straighten the wheels up. Come towards me. Now bring you away from that corner. And then you can start turning the wheels again now that you're further away. Turn a little bit more. There you go. And now if you keep watching behind you, make sure you're okay. And then now that you're around, you can move yourself around. So you can come back in line with the chassis. Watch my phone. Drive yourself forward. Think about where your wheels are now, where you want them to be facing. Stop. And then bring the boom around so that you're nice and level with the chassis of your body. Awesome. How do you find that? Yeah? There is a lot of things going on, isn't it? You doing well though? It's good? Yeah, it was nice and controlled. It was obviously you've taken your time, which is absolutely fine. I'd rather take your time and think about like what can go wrong, make sure things are going right, which is good. Observations wise, just be a bit more aware of what's going on around you, that kind of stuff, because you know, I know it's very early doors, so you just get in the truck and you just start to look at it, but fixating on one thing, just think about what could be going on somewhere else, especially when you start thinking like you moved out, it's where is that carb now going, and what do you need to do with this to make sure you can stay the same. Okay, but it was good, well done. We're going to swap over now, okay? Absolutely.